Good afternoon, my viewers and subscribers. You know, some days you wake up and you feel like things are not going your way. You feel like no matter how you try, things now work out, and you feel like throwing the towel. Because 4 years ago, I felt that way. But I had one and two people in my corner who keep motivated me, telling me, no, don't throw in the towel, you can do it. Meanwhile, there were others that telling me, why don't I go home? They don't see where I'm gonna make it, or giving me a time span when they think I'll make it. And a lot of times I understand why you feel a certain type, why I used to feel a certain type of way is because these were people that I were very close with, and these were the people who tried to break my spirit the most. But I kept holding on to this little still small voice in my head that keeps saying, keep pushing, you can do it through Christ who strengthens you. Because a lot of times, we tend to feel that down feeling like we can't do it, we can't manage. And sometimes, yes, we have some families and some friends who will tell us that yes, they don't see how you can and how you're gonna do it. But just remember that God sits high and he looks low. And even when you feel like you can't do it, and just when you're at the brink of giving up, just right around the corner is your breakthrough. Because I remember I felt like throwing the towel, I felt like giving up. And right behind that little dark cloud, there was this silver lining, and I really thank God, and God showed up for me. So sometimes even when we think God is not there, he is there and he's watching over us. Sometimes God don't bless us right away because he give us time to learn to be patient. He tests us to see how well we're gonna fight through our struggles, and then he blesses us. So I just want to tell somebody that, listen, sometimes you might feel like all hope is gone, but God is there with you and he'll take you through it. If he took me through it, he will take you through yours. Don't give up, don't give in. Just live within your means, take your time, and when God is ready to bless you, he's gonna bless you at the right time. Nothing happens before the time. And just stand firm and keep praying and trusting God, and know that he's gonna come through for you at the right time, not at your timing. It's not on our timing, it's always on God's timing. And just be strong. Try to be strong and hold a firm meditation and keep trusting God. He'll fix the situation for you. Don't give up. Don't throw in no towel. God is gonna fix it.